Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Assist. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to see videos that you've already watched on TikTok account. Now make sure to watch the video till the end and follow the instruction carefully. So first of all, you need to log in. So tap on your TikTok app. And here, as you can see, the interface looks something like this. Now in case if you want to watch this video or share it with your friends later, so you have to tap on the like button, so which is on the right hand side corner on the second step. Tap on it, and here as you can see, the like button has gone red, which means that this particular video has been liked and it will be saved on your liked videos, and also you'll be able to watch this video later. Now in order to check whether you'll be able to watch it later or not, you have to do is now move towards the right hand side corner, and right in the bottom down there you have profile, so tap on it. So next on the other page you will land inside your profile information, and there on top you can see a username. Under it there is edit, and under edit you can see 4 different icons. Now in order to see if the video has been liked or if you'll be able to watch it later, so you need to tap on the like button, which is on the third step. So tap on the like button, and here you can see the video has been liked, which means that you'll be able to see it or watch it later as well. And if you like the video, only then you'll be able to watch it later. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.